Hey, Brian from Garage Mahal. Today I have a swimming pool pump. So let's take a look at the box real quick, give you a general idea how big it is. And I mean, it's got some weight to it, but one person can definitely handle. So let's open it up and see everything that we get inside. Okay. So right away on top, there is a spool of Teflon tape. Very handy. Open that styrofoam piece up off of there. And then here is the owner's manual. So let me bring that closer to you so you can see. So that is basically what's there. Some quick warnings on the inside. Maximum recommended system flow rate by pipe size. So that's pretty handy information. And then it's going to give you the max rate horsepower. Technical data. And it's going to give you the parts list. So let's open this box up a little bit more. I'll bring this out. All right. Just trying very hard not to pour it out onto the workbench here, but so all right, so these are all, so that is basically the skimmer basket cover that goes on here, and you got some plumbing features that you can put on here, screw in, and depending on what your unit is, this just kind of helps you have some extra plumbing. So some extra plumbing options for you. So different sizes. So this is basically the model HBP 1102. So it has a height max of 50 feet. A max of 100 gallons per minute. So it kind of give you an idea of the flow rate. Maximum operating temperature is 122 degrees. That is your basically 110, 120 volt power cord to it. So, and then some of the other little details it shows on the side. So it's 1100 watts. So it's 115 volts. So roughly it's about 10.8 amps. So a 15 amp circuit should be good. Make sure that you have a protection circuit on it as well, since it's going to be around water. But, and let me give you more of a insight of like what the plastic basket is like, and then the inner housing of that. And it does have some grates on the inside to help protect any debris from getting into the impeller housing, which is basically located in here. So your water inlet would be on this side, and then your water out is going to be basically listed here. So pretty neat. And then it does have a drain here. So at the end of the season, you can basically open this up and drain that out completely. Very neat feature I haven't seen on too many pumps. So yeah, that's basically everything. And then again, here's some other fittings that you can use. So it pretty much has everything that you're gonna need, except for your obvious external plumbing on that. And then you have your switch here, which will convert it from 115 to 230 volts. So it is adaptable. This is your ground wire on here as well. And I might add, this is screwed down, so you can't get easy access to the switch to actually flip that unless you are actually doing the correct electrical conversion over onto that. And then the lid basically goes on top like So you'll kind of feel it like get its home, and then you close it by twisting it this way. So that's closed, and then open. Obviously you need 2 hands to do that. Open slides that way, and then that cover comes off that. So very easy to use, very easy to seal up, and you don't have to worry about somebody getting in here unless they have to get this skimmer basket open. But again, the propeller is sealed inside here, so great pump. So that is a view from all the way around, and that will give you kind of like an idea of how that looks overall. Anyway, Brian from Garage Hall, thanks for watching, and be safe out there.